This is a return to the Lord from that traditional text from the book of Joel. Wrote this for a gospel acclamation or sequence hymn for the season of Lent when we have varied our Alleluias. The sound of it is a lot of kind of thick, rich chords meant to illuminate that sense of mercy and graciousness, steadfast love. And when I sing slow to anger, you'll notice I pause there. You can emphasize that slowing of anger in the music. Usually I'll sing it through maybe once, but once as people are learning it, I might do it 2 times through, depending on how it feels. I'll play it for you to give you a sense of what it sounds like. Here we go. Return